So this will be part 13 of our PyTorch tutorial for absolute beginners. In this part is going to be, we are going to learn how to save our models locally. A common way to save your model is to serialize the internal state dictionary containing the model parameters, and then you can save it locally. So to do that, I'm going to simply say torch.save, and I'm going to call the state dictionary of our model. So this is like collection of all the states for this model you want to serialize and save. So states dict, and then you want to save it to model.pth. So this is basically how to save your model. So this model has been saved, and I want to just print out the success message. Model has been saved to model.pth. Now, if you want to see this model, you can actually search for it locally in your local root directory of your system. So I'm going to save this. Model has been saved. Now, if I search, model.pth, and let's see where this model actually is located. So you can see this model was created somewhere here. So sure, I could open it. I can't open it, but the model was saved locally. Alright, so I'm going to stop here for now. In the next part, we now load our model and then be able to use it to make predictions. I'd like to thank you for viewing. Please remember to subscribe to my channel, leave me a comment, and also like this video, and we'll see you in the next part.